Oh wow. People. I'm sure I look fantastic. I just woke up. I've been up the past few hours actually. I don't know if you can hear the chickens and the dogs, and I thought I woke up in a farm or sleeping in a farm anyway. But no, it's just nice. But while waking up to this, guys, it's like, I think it's 6 a.m. Look. So the fishing village is down there. I've already seen fishermen go out. Wow. Really nice, yeah. Obviously a bit tired. It's the earliest I'm waking up in a while. Oh my god. Oh jeez, you don't want to fall here, as I said. Look, it's like, and then it goes down, but yeah. Beautiful. So there you go, guys. This cabana was basically the wind so much better. Look, it's all made out of wood. There's another fisherman going. Look, you can hear them. They want to catch their dorados, which is mahi mahi. Beautiful fish. Actually, yesterday I walked down there, seen one guy with like 3 of them, so massive. Give them my number because I'm gonna be staying here for a while. Not exactly right here, but close by. But yeah, guys, sorry if I look so tired. I don't care. I really don't care, because look at that. Surely one of the best experiences staying I've ever stayed. Look at the sky, not one bit. I woke up, this was still blue, nothing. Now look, it's slightly rising above the sunrise. And it's fantastic. It's way worth getting up early. And look, as I said, the musical opera by these fair few chickens down here somewhere, you know. Oh. Until a while. Enjoy the view. Big advice, people, by the way, when you're out here in this, the Wild West, I would call it, with animals, chicken, turkeys and mosquitoes, you got this thing, and it's the anti-mosquito whatever. It did work last night, so here we go. Look, nice and early for the morning, because look at this. We're gonna wait for that sun right here. Follow the sun. Hey guys, how are you doing? So we're here just before Puerto Angel. We left Mazunte, so we're just on the path down the coast a bit more. As I don't know, you've probably seen the video before. Someone, unfortunately, there was a bad experience yesterday. I just witnessed one guy lose his life at the beach, which, you know, it's never, obviously, it's please, you know, it's like, yeah, it's a bad experience when you travel. It's not always sunshine, you know, even though you're here, but anyways, yeah, you know, we need to move on, and yeah, I'll explain that later, but now just to get my mind off things. So we got this beautiful place just before Puerto Angel. It took a while with the taxi, I had to come this way. The place is cool, the guy was very nice, so let's have a look, you know. Where did you see this? That's so, the guy didn't even know, the taxi driver, which, you know, where to go or that. As you can see, it's absolutely in the middle of our look. Straight away when I walked here and I seen this, and look at this. So off the beaten path, you know. So look, that's Puerto Angel. There's these stepways that you go down, you know, and it brings you to the beach. It's meant to be a shortcut, so it's either there, go the whole way with the road, which I don't fancy doing, or down this road. So this we were told is the closest, but it's locals who live there, so I think we're gonna check it out next, guys. Actually no, let me check obviously the accommodation with you. So this, I will be sleeping there tonight, maybe, who knows. But let's see. Alright. Hello. So it's like a little cabana, you know. Look how cool it is, guys. So there you have your little countryside. It's so off the beaten path. I'm loving it. There, look, there's coconuts right there on the tree. Wonder, can I pick them? I don't think so. No Spider-Man, yeah? Look, so it's all a mosquito nets. He said it's very mosquito proof because there's a lot of mosquitoes here. They don't bite me anyways. I don't think they like me, but... And look, guys, this is what it's about. This, when you travel, treat yourself a bit. Go off the beaten path. Don't go with your touristy thing. Here you're still close to the beach. You're close to everywhere. But look at this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So let's close this for the mosquitoes, but that's the view, guys. But safety precautions. Yeah, let's say you don't want to be steady here, you know. And if you have your Venus or something, you go in there and you lock yourself in. But yeah, guys, here we go. Let's go explore. Hello guys, so today we are in La Boquilla. Quite beautiful. It's so hard, not hard, but you need to have a bike or something to go down because the dirt roads, there's so much. But look at it, guys. You see, it's beautiful. Yoo-hoo! So yeah, and it's like I think from where we were staying, where I was staying in, what's it called, Zipolite, it was 20 minutes. So yeah, 20 minutes, 9 kilometers. But yeah, we're here now and we're gonna enjoy this and enjoy the beach, guys. So just seen a whale here, guys. It was around there somewhere. If surf is up again, it will be great. Fantastic. Got the beautiful view, you have to get beautiful steps, steep. Woo! Sí.
Es carne roja.
Carne más.
Mm.